welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the headlines. BJP-MGP forge alliance, BJP with 31 seats, MGP with 8, alliance to back one independent. BJP President Nitin Gadkari announces alliance. Shripad Naik says doesn't want to contest now. MGP withdraws support to Kamath-led government to contest elections from 8 constituencies to declare candidates on Monday. Second list of Congress stuck on Kankan candidate. Congress undecided on Vijay or Isidore. Second list likely by Monday. Dempo lose to Pune FC by a solitary goal in the I-League. Dempo's loss keeps I-League title race wide open. And Asia can supply footballers to the world, says man behind Dempo FCM tie-up Satyajit Sadanan. Srinivas Dempo deliberately choose FC Midtjylland over bigger European clubs, says Satyajit. Now the news in detail. BJP and MGP have forged a pre-poll alliance. BJP will contest from 31 constituencies, MGP from 8, and in Kumbarjua, both the parties will support an independent candidate. BJP President Nitin Gadkari and MGP legislators formally announced the coalition in a media briefing on Sunday. However, MP Shripad Naik says he does not want to fight the poll as he has little time left for campaigning.
BJP and MGP has joined hands as pre-poll partners for the assembly polls. Leader of both parties say alliance is people's wish and demand.
Tivin, Prul, Priol, Ponda, Madkai, Dobolin, Nivem, Benalium, Banolin and Kepe. या 8 मतदारसंघ आम्ही महाराष्ट्रवादी गोमंतक पार्टी करता सोडले आणि हा जो कुंभारजू आहे हा मतदारसंघ जो आहे इथे दोघी आम्ही मिळून इंडिपेंडेंट उमेदवाराचं समर्थन करणार आहे आणि बाकी 31 जागा ज्या उरतात त्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी लढवणार आहे.
But they have not decided on the chief ministerial candidate or a leader of alliance in the poll campaign.
Already Manohar Parrikar, Shripad Naik and our president, they are all our respectable leaders. Now we have alliance with Maharashtrawadi Gomantak party. Davulekar ji also the leader of the party. We will fight this election under the leadership of all these leaders and we will decide who will be the leader. That will decide afterwards.
During this briefing, Nitin Gadkari announced that party would allow Shripad Naik to contest poll, but with few hours of declaration, Shripad Naik changed his stand. In a telephonic conversation with Prudent, he said he is not interested in contesting the assembly poll. He says there is very little time left for him to prepare for poll, but he is ready to work for the party in the poll campaign. MGP leader Sudhin Dhavlikar has charged some of the Congress ministers of corruption.
Some of the ministers were corrupt, I told. Government is not corrupt. Some of the ministers are corrupt. Still I am saying that. The government overall was not corrupt. Overall government was not corrupt. Some of the minister was too much corrupt.
A senior reporter Rakesh Kanulkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
MGP withdrew its support from Kamath-led government on Sunday. After working for 4.5 years as partners, MGP has now forged a pre-poll alliance with the BJP. BJP has offered 8 seats to MGP. 8 candidates of MGP will contest from Priol, Madkai, Ponda, Kepe, Nuve, Banauli, Daboli and TV. However, candidates will be declared on Monday. MGP, after serving with Congress-led government for 4 years, withdrew its support on Sunday. MGP will contest the forthcoming election, forging an alliance with the BJP. Maharashtrawadi Gomantak State Party President Deepak Davulekar declared the decision in a media briefing.
आम्ही आज निवडणूक होता आणि भाजपाकडे अलायन्स करून आम्ही निवडणूक होता.
The resolution withdrawal from the government has been forwarded to Governor Shankar Narayanan,
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Speaker of Goa Assembly Pratap Singh Rane. Davlikar informed that BJP-MGP alliance is people's choice.
We are jointly declaring our alliance.
You are there now.
Yeah, we are declaring our alliance jointly. ते आता करता न्ही ते आम्ही सांचे ठरयतले एक युती डिक्लेअर झाली की आम्ही सांचे ठरयतले.
Davlikar raised the issue like price rise, illegal mining, rising unemployment or medium of instruction.
कळिल्ले पण आम्ही राविल्ले आमकां दबाव अंडर काँग्रेसीन दवरले हे तुमकां प्रत्येकाक खबर. आम्ही वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम.
Final list of MGP candidates will be declared by Monday after party's central committees meet. A senior reporter Rakesh Kandulkar with video journalist Ravinder Dalvi.
Congress's second list of 11 candidates is stuck over candidature from Concon. The list was expected by Sunday evening. Congress party is undecided on choice of Vijay Paikot or Isidore Fernandez. A group from North Goa is lobbying for Isidore and another group from South is backing Vijay Paikot. Congress had declared its first list with 22 candidates on Saturday, leaving 7 seats for NCP.
काँग्रेसच्या उरिल्ल्या उमेदवारांची नावां आयतारा जाहीर जावपाची आसली. आयतारा सांजे 4 मेरेन नावां जाहीर जावपाची शक्यता आसली. पूण ऐन त्या वेळार काणकोणच्या सिटाचेर कोफुसांव जाल्ल्यान ही नावां जाहीर जावपाची उरली. काणकोणच्या सिटाचे कोफुसांव सध्या दिल्ली सोडप चालू आसा. काँग्रेसची उरिल्ली एकूण 11 नावां जाहीर जावपाची आसात. ह्या 11 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी फ्रंट रनर आसात ते अशे: धाकू मडकयकार पिरवळ, रितेश रवी नायक मडकय, विजय सरदेसाय फातोड्डा, संकल्प आमोणकार मुरगांव, अलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स कुर्तोलीम, पांडुरंग मडकयकार कुमारजुवा, वालंका आलेमांव बाणावले, जेनिफर मोन्सरात तालिगांव, उदय पालयेकार शिवोलीम. सावर्डे सध्या मायनॉरिटीक दिवपाचो काँग्रेसचो विचार आसात. काणकोणच्या सिटाचे कोफुसांव जावन आशिल्लें जाल्यार आयज काँग्रेसची सगळी उमेदवारांची नावां जाहीर जावपाची. काणकोण सध्या इजिदोर फर्नांडीस आनी विजय पे खोता मदीं कोफुसांव चालू आसा. दिगंबर कामतीचो कॅम्प विजय पे खोता खातीर लॉबिंग करता, नाल्यार प्रताप सिंग राणे आनी बाबुशाचो कॅम्प इजिदोर फर्नांडिसा खातीर. ह्या काणकोण सिटाचे कोफुसांव सोडोवपाचें काम सध्या दिल्ली चालू आसा. हे काणकोणचे कोफुसांव रातया मेरेन सुटले जाल्यार सोमारा सकाळी मेरेन काँग्रेसची सगळी उमेदवारांची नावां जाहीर जातलीं. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी वांगडा लौकीक शिलकार प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.